Who is Botrus Mansour, the new Secretary General of the World Evangelical Alliance? After a months-long transparent selection process immersed in prayer, the International Council of the World Evangelical Alliance elected Botrus Mansour as its Secretary General, effective on the 1st of November 2025.
I am looking forward to the adventure the Lord has prepared me for.
Who is Botrus Mansour? Botrus is a minister, lawyer, administrator, and writer. He is an Arab-Palestinian Israeli citizen residing in Nazareth, the hometown of Jesus. Born in 1965 as the firstborn for his parents, Botrus spent his childhood in Nazareth, Jerusalem, and Oxford, England. He came to know the Lord in his high school years at the Nazareth Baptist School. Later, he studied law in the Hebrew University in Jerusalem and joined the Bar Association. He met his future wife Abir in the students' meetings in Jerusalem, and the couple married and then settled in Nazareth. Botrus started working as a lawyer in a law firm specializing in torts and non-profit organizations. Since the time he put his faith in Jesus, he has been involved in ministry in the local church, in evangelical alliances, as well as parachurch ministries both locally and internationally. In his university years, he was active in the students' meetings and chaired the student council of the Fellowship of Christian Students in Israel. In Nazareth, he was heavily involved in ministry as one of the founders of the local Baptist church. Later, he was ordained as an elder in the church. His ministry of 15 years on the pastoral committee was in preaching, teaching, pastoring, and administrating. In 2003, Botrus moved from his law practice to serve as the general director of Nazareth Baptist School. It is a K-12 school with about 1,000 students with an excellent reputation. Botrus contributed to its continued legacy as a spiritual and academic lighthouse. With the grace of God, he also managed to build the infrastructure of a network of supporters for the school around the world. In 2018, Botrus was elected as the chairman of the Convention of Evangelical Churches in Israel. He served for 2 terms, 6 years total. During that time, he fostered unity among the local evangelical churches and strengthened the relationship with the alliances in Jordan and Palestine. After his election for Secretary General of WEA, his local church held a special dedication service on the 10th of October 2025, where he was released to the new role in WEA with a blessing.
My heart is for the local church, and I will use what the Lord has put in my hands to empower, assist, and equip the local church to take both the Great Commission and the Great Commandment seriously.
In addition to his experience in church ministry, Botrus's life in the Holy Land, with all its complexities and tensions, has prepared him to navigate diverse cultures and nationalities. This background has equipped him to engage with the international and national dimensions of the World Evangelical Alliance, fostering unity and understanding among evangelicals worldwide. His multidimensional background is deeply rooted in his family. He was born to a Greek Catholic father, the first Arab journalist and writer in the Jewish press, and a Greek Orthodox mother from Cana of Galilee, who was a dedicated teacher. Botrus grew up attending schools with Christian and Muslim children in Nazareth and Jerusalem, as well as British and international classmates during his primary school years in Oxford, England. He later pursued higher education at both the Hebrew University of Jerusalem and the University of Haifa. Throughout his ministry, Botrus has been effectively involved in initiatives that promote reconciliation and dialogue. He served on the board of Musalaha, a reconciliation ministry working among Messianic Jews and Palestinian Christians, co-chaired the Lausanne Initiative for Reconciliation between Israel and Palestine, and was vice chair of the Israel Educational Forum. He also represented all non-Catholic schools on the executive committee of the Secretariat of Christian Schools, including during the major strike of September 2015. At the same time, Botrus contributed to the establishment of Nazareth Village, a first-century replica of Nazareth that brings the biblical story to life. In the late 1990s, he was also active in the International Christian Lawyers Organization Advocates International, serving on its global council as a representative of the Middle East. Over the years, Botrus has written extensively, books and articles in Arabic, Hebrew, and English on matters of faith and the Christian presence in Israel and the Middle East. Botrus and his wife Abir have been married for 33 years. Abir is also active in ministry, serving as the coordinator of the women's ministry in their local church. They live in Nazareth and are blessed with 3 grown children and a newly born grandchild.
This is a crucial time, and with God's grace, I am committed to serving the international community hand in hand with others to reach the whole world with the gospel as we approach the 2000th year anniversary of the resurrection.